how to make a smart contract and minting dApps. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create smart contracts and how you can mint dApps as well. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now I'm over here on this website called MetaCommerce. So over here what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and sign up. I'm going to show you how you can do it. All right, so we're going to go into plans over here. I'm going to show you the plans that are available, the pricing plans, so that you can choose which one you want. So over here, as you can see, we have three plans. We have the Studio Plus, and the Studio Pro, right? In the free plan, you get to create 3 owned contracts, NFT templates, you get generative, collection builder, NFT minting embedded, limited size and media type, and email/Discord support as well. Whereas in the Studio Plus, it's going to be $2.99 per month, with a 2% fee on sales. You're going to get unlimited smart contracts. You're going to get GIFs, MP4s, and audio-based NFT, increased file size, perma web storage, community insight and data, and onboarding support, along with all the other things that you would get in the free apps as well. And then you have the Studio Pro. It's going to be $9.99 per month. There is no fee or on sales or anything like that. You're going to get custom marketplace, community leaderboard, initial setup and deployment, other chains, Solana and Polygon, and 2.5% transaction fee on sales. You're going to get that as well, and SLAs and enterprise level support as well. So it all depends on you. So we're going to go ahead and start with the free plan over here. We're going to click on start creating, and over here we just simply connect our wallet. Now you're going to need a wallet, so either a MetaMask wallet or Wallet Connect. So over here you have two options. You have Wallet Connect, MetaMask. I'm going to choose MetaMask because I already have it and I already created an account with it. So you're just going to choose the MetaMask wallet. It's going to pop up over here if you have installed the extension. If you don't, you can go ahead and Google it. You can go ahead and install it, create an account, and you will arrive over here on this tab. Then you just simply click on next and click on connect. It's going to connect to the studio over here, wait for it to be connected. Then you can kind of go ahead and sign the transaction, sign the message. Then we're gonna move on. All right, so as you can see, we have done that and we arrive over here onto the dashboard. So this is basically your studio, and over here you get to upload your NFTs over here. You get to generative NFTs over here. You get your bulk upload and gated content NFTs and dynamic NFTs over here. These are for the NFT tools. And over here you get all of your NFT projects. As you can see, we have nothing yet. You have your drafts over here, and then you have your smart contracts over here. You can go ahead and create one over there. So first, let's go ahead and create like a NFT. So over here, you could go with a one-on-one NFT. So basically, if you already have a created NFT, like, compiled it, you can go ahead and upload it over here. Or if we go with the generative NFTs over here, it's basically a quickly build. It's like a builder app. So if you come over here, you upload the title of your work and a description of it, and then you upload your series over here. So over here now we have the series. Now we just enter in the setup over here, and over here we add the number of editions. We're gonna say we want 100, and then we set up layers. All right, so we just simply click on layer over here, add a layer. We're gonna set up another layer as well, layer 2, layer 3, and layer 4. This is gonna be our face. So we just select the file. So over here we just select the file. So we have some over here. I already added them. So first I want to add like maybe a background. So I'm just going to add all of these, and I'm going to click on browse. All right, so these are our layers over here. We can randomize the preview as well. So this is how it's going to look like. All right, and then we go back. All right, as you can see, we have 5 over there. Then we set up over here. I'm going to add the face, and this is it right here. Go back 2 over here. Then we're going to go into 3. I'm going to add some glasses as well. So I'm going to add that. And then I'm just simply going to go ahead and upload some of the glasses over here. There we go. You can go ahead and set your rarity as well. Recomputerize rarities if you want. If you know which layer is which, add like a rarity complex over here. So if we generate or randomize view, this is how it's going to look like. As you can see over here, looks pretty cool. And then I want to add like some hats as well. So we have them over here. Then I click on OK. There we go. We randomize them. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. Then you can add some rules to it as well. but pretty much that's it. Then you can add some rules, you can add different things, but I don't want that. Then we can go ahead and, unique NFTs as well. And then we have this one as well. And then we just simply click on save. Then it's gonna, wait for it to be generated. And over here we have this one. So we click on this one. We can see we have, number of editions is going to be 100. And then we just simply click on, generate NFTs. But over here we can preview them and see how they look like. Look pretty cool. So then you just simply click on generate NFTs. And then you have to make sure to double check your project information and all of that. If everything looks good, just simply click on yes, generate my NFTs. And then it's going to be generated over here. And as you can see, hang tight, your NFTs are being generated. So let's just wait for it to be generated, then we'll continue. All right, so over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. We have all of our NFTs right over here. So as you can see, this is number, I think, 95. Here we go. And this was number 93. Looks pretty cool. Looks really nice, right? So then you just simply, check all of them out. And once everything looks good, you just simply go ahead and you can download them as well. You can download the generate, download link so that you can download these NFTs for your own, and then you can upload them as well. But pretty much that's it. Then that's how you basically generate your NFTs over here, right? So next is to create a smart contract. You just simply click on the smart contract over here on the left side, and then you just simply click on create contracts. And over here, you add the title of your work, you add a description, the ticker, which is like the meta, the price, the maximum supply, and an external link where people can see your NFTs or your work. Then you upload your images over here, and then you import the project over here as well, which is also optional. So I'm just simply gonna import the project over here. You can turn it on, that's like the theme, but that's pretty much it. And then you can add like a whitelist price. If you want to have like a whitelist, then you can enable that over here. You can add the whitelist price over here and maximum per address as well, how many one person can handle it, right? So this is the name. I'm gonna add that over here. And you can basically, like, I'm gonna call them cyber over here. And the mint price can be anywhere between maybe $5. And then you can add the supply. I'm gonna say 100. Max per wallet can be 10, maybe even 5. It all depends on you. Then you upload the external link for these where you have uploaded them so that people can see it. And then you add the whitelist price. So I'm gonna say like maybe I'm gonna go with a $2. Max per address is gonna be again 5, actually 2. And then you just simply click on save. Actually, I have to upload the description as well. So all right, so once you've saved that, you should be good to go. All right, so then we just save that as well. So we have update drafts over here, and then you have deploy contract. So you click on deploy contract and you can go ahead and upload it, but I think there's like an error. I think there we go. These are over here. You can preview them and see how they look like. I think that looks good. I don't want to upload them, and I just want to go over here. Actually, I'll just this is just like, random. You can go ahead and copy and paste your link over here, and that should be it, I believe. And yeah, then you can go ahead and deploy the contract over here. But I think a client-side expectation has occurred. See the browser console from, but I think there's like an error for me. I don't know why. So over here, as you can see, this is the draft contract. Then you just deploy the contract, and then the contract will appear over here, and pretty much that's it. Then you have your storefront over here. If you want, you can create a live store over here. This is like the meta commerce, as I said before. Then people can go ahead and view them over here. So if I wanted to, let me just go ahead and do that as well. So I'll just make like a smart store, and then you can import your contract over here so that people can see, and then you can add like a background color, and then you can add the width of it as well, and then you can save and preview and see how that looks. So pretty much that's it. That's all the things that you need to know about, and that's how you can upload different NFTs over here, and that's how you can create a smart contract for them as well. Yeah, guys. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.